So the company sent me these dining chairs to check out and share with you, so I'm super excited to set them up. All the pieces arrived nicely packaged to make sure nothing breaks during transit. Once I got everything out of the box, I took a quick look at the easy-to-read instructions and I was ready to assemble them. Everything was so easy to follow and all the required tools were included. And even my rescue Nala wanted to help. It took me about 20 minutes to put together the first chair and about 10 minutes for the second one. And just so you know, I am no DIY expert at all. But the instructions were really helpful and very easy to follow. So here's the first one, and I absolutely love how it looks. These chairs have an ergonomic design to be easy on your waist and back. They're very soft and the sponge filling seems to be made of good quality. And you guys, I am loving how well these chairs fit in my little breakfast nook here. I'm obsessed with the modern design, and the walnut wood color goes great with the white. But I'm sure by now you're wondering, but are they actually comfortable? And you guys, the answer is yes. They really combine durability and comfort here, which I really appreciate. The cushions are very soft and the chairs can hold up to 330 pounds. These are just what I needed and I'm so excited to start using them more. So overall, I would definitely recommend these. Hopefully this video was helpful and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Take care.